This is an earlier version of a hydroponic setup that I tried with seedling pots, a political sign or an ad sign that goes on the side of the road, and also a bus pan. And I put some hydroponic lettuce that I had bought at the grocery store, and it just did not work out well. So the update is to follow. Stay tuned. So I went with net pots, and I got those from Amazon with the clay pellets, and you'll see the wicks there to the left lower corner, and I just put them together. You just have to thread the wick through the net pots and then put the net pots into the holes where I cut them again to the size of the net pots. Underneath, it's just a bus pan. Again, I put a bubbler from an aquarium and also an aquarium pump in there, which was like $15 total, and to help aerate it. Here I'm adding the clay pellets to the net pots, and I will be putting more plants in as soon as I get that done. I started adding seeds to the clay pellets, which obviously was not a good idea because I didn't realize that most of them slip straight through the clay pellets into the water below. So this was a bad mistake, but that's okay. You live, you learn. In the background, you'll see my little arrow garden that I have started there. I decided to take some of the lettuce from there and also a basil plant that wasn't doing well, and I added it to the clay pots later on after this cut. And those have grown really, really well. And you'll see those in pictures at the end of this video. Stay tuned. So here's my hydroponic system as some plants were growing. The seeds in there were not a good idea. So basically I took some started plants that I had that were very small, some red leaf lettuce and some romaine and also some basil, and added them to the clay pellet pots, and they have grown enormously well. So thanks for joining me. Have a great day.